Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, let's make this amazing starting PowerPoint template in just 2 minutes. So let's start. First of all, let's open up a blank template, remove everything from the slide. Then right click on it and we're gonna go to format background. Next we're gonna go to background fill and we're gonna give it a color of black. Close the background panel, and what we're going to do is just go to shapes and insert a text box in which we're going to type our title. Then we're going to go for the font, and I'm going to change the font. Then we're going to change the color to yellow and increase its size till it covers the entire slide. So here we are. Let's just increase its width. The next thing we have to do is just put it upwards, and then I'm gonna go to the insert tab, and from here I'm gonna go to pictures. From here I'm just gonna insert one image of whatever the image I want to use in my template. Let me just move it a bit downwards. The next thing we'll have to do is go to insert tab and shapes, and we're gonna insert a rectangle that covers the entire template. Now we're gonna go to shape format, remove its outline. Then we're gonna go to right click on it, click on format shape. Then we're gonna click on give gradient and use two gradient stoppers, and we're gonna make sure that both have black color. For the one that is below, we're gonna give it 50% transparency. For the one that is above, we're gonna give it 100% transparency, so that it looks something like this. The next thing we have to do is just insert our text. Use whatever the text you wanna use. So let me just close the background panel. The next thing I'm gonna do is just insert a text box. And this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe.